This is the ice cream banana, also known as blue java. I grow these in my yard, and today I'm going to talk about how they taste and everything about them. So these bananas, they came off a rack of about 105. I counted them actually 5 days ago. So we like to pick them when a couple of these turn yellow on the rack, and then we'll cut the whole rack down and put them here, and then they ripen all at once. So we have 105 bananas. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to show you what we do with all these bananas and harvest them for our family. But yeah, let me talk about the flavor profile. All right, so ice cream bananas, these are a little bit, I would say they're about half the size, although it depends on how big the plant is that you're growing because it's varied a little bit for us, but they're about half the size of the bananas that you grow in or that you buy at the grocery store. So at the grocery store, they're most likely Cavendish bananas. That's the majority of the bananas you'll get in the United States. So yeah, these are a little bit smaller, but there's a whole lot more flavor. And let me peel it for you here. All right, so the peel is a little bit thinner than the Cavendish bananas you'll find at the grocery store. And the flesh of it actually looks like white and pillowy. It's hard to see in the video, but it's not as yellow as the ones you'll find at the grocery store. So there's a lot more flavor. There's a tanginess at the end. It doesn't actually taste like ice cream. I don't know why it's called that. I think it's because the flesh looks a little bit whiter. But it's tangy, very flavorful. If you're eating these and then you go back to the grocery store bananas, the bananas at the grocery store will taste watered down. They're also a lot more filling, and they're more dense and heavier. So if you're holding both of them, this one will feel heavier and fill you up more. But yeah, lots, presumably more fiber, more nutrients, because you're picking it when it's more ripe and putting in your own, organic soil and nutrients to feed the banana plants. So you're getting a lot more bang for your buck with these. But very tangy, very sweet, very dense, and yeah, that's the ice cream banana. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be doing a lot more videos about bananas because we have so many bananas right now. So let me know, subscribe, and any comments, questions, put it down below. You can also follow me on Instagram. I talk about mostly gardening and chickens and growing fruits and vegetables in our backyard. We're growing more and more and more, trying to replace the grocery store. All right, happy gardening, everyone.